guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. So this week we are going to Bheemuni Paadam Waterfall, which to reach we need to cross the Warangal city. So this time I'm going along with my friends. He is Niaz. So a couple of my other friends are going to join in a bit. You will see them getting into the car. So this Bheemuni Paadam is like almost 200 kilometers from Hyderabad. So we have actually planned this 4 days ago, and then we decided let's go and check this out. So you guys will see we are trekking a bit, traveling a lot. We would show you more of this journey and the waterfall itself. Hopefully there's water. I heard.
Yo man, hopefully.
Yeah, I heard, the water wouldn't run out from this stream of water. So hoping for that. If possible, we can dive into the water, soak for some time, relax and cherish all the, memories which we are going to gain during this trip. How excited are you about this trip, man?
First of all, I'm happy to get out of the house. And mostly, I actually wanted to go on a drive somewhere with my friends. Yeah. So this time, trying to explore the nature with Vish the Weekender.
Someone said your morning sets up the success of your day, but our success of the day was yet to come with a great breakfast. After the breakfast, we started off towards our destination. All in front of us was a wide open road and an ideal day for a long drive. As soon as we took the turn towards Bheemuni Paadam waterfall, the landform became scenic, which made one of my friends poetic and another humorous.
जीवन के दो अजीब वास्ते हरियाली और रास्ता.
क्या कर रहा बे? माइक किधर घुमा? माइक उधर क्यों घुमा कर रखा है?
So Rahul, how are you feeling about this trip?
What do you want to hear?
About your experience.
About your feelings. Deep inside your heart. What is it?
It's good.
Spit it out.
It's good you said deep inside your heart.
Now tell me about your experience. How you felt or how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling hot. The car में पिंडा AC नहीं लग रहा था जैसे.
With the mixed emotions, we reached the waterfall and then we started our short trek. Okay, so this route, it goes to the top of the waterfall, and that one goes to the base of the waterfall. So we have decided that we will walk some distance to go and check out the waterfall. So this route isn't surprising. I've seen many routes like this in the past. So I've made several videos of trekking forts and all. You can check those out. Surprisingly, the temperature is about 32 degrees centigrade, which is odd. Alright, so let me take you guys closer to the stream actually, which falls from this hill there. Looks like the water flow is very less this time of the year. But actually when you look at those roots of this tree, it's just uprooted. That means, you know, the water flow was very high. Let me take you guys much more closer to the waterfall. Since there was very less water, we ended up admiring it. After that, we had lunch and decided to go for a trek. So we actually didn't want to spend much time at the waterfall because water from the stream is very, you know, low. So didn't find that exciting. So we just thought of going for a walk. Looks to be an interesting place to trek, because this is unlike the places I've trekked before. What do you guys think will come out of from those trees?
Mother of a monkey dinosaur.
You?
Yeah, King Kong maybe. Yeah.
The effect of spending more time in the nature, unknowingly we found our forgotten childhood inside us. All these days we talked technology, but all of a sudden, for this short time, we had unified thoughts. Though we couldn't soak ourselves physically in the water, but our souls were immersing in natural setting. While on the way back home, we had to pass through this massive cloud burst. As the saying goes, after every storm comes the sunshine. So was it. The tenderness which nature showed towards us will leave a lasting affection until we meet again. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.